The Art of Money Getting by P.T. Barnum, also known as The Golden Rules for Making Money, is a classic self-help book that offers practical advice on achieving financial success and prosperity. Here are the key lessons from the book, along with examples. 1. Start early and work hard. Barnum emphasizes the importance of starting one's career early in life and working diligently. Barnum himself began working at a young age, selling snacks and lottery tickets. His early efforts laid the foundation for his later success as a showman and entrepreneur. 2. Be industrious and diligent. Hard work and consistent effort are essential for financial success. Barnum mentions that successful individuals are not lazy. They are diligent in their work, always seeking opportunities to improve and grow. Before we continue, welcome to Short Version, where we draw out the key concepts from each book published on the channel, in order to approach life and its many aspects from a greater perspective. Please take the time to thumbs up to support the channel and to subscribe for more content. Have a great listening. 3. Avoid debt and speculation. Barnum advises against accumulating debt and engaging in risky financial speculation. He shares stories of people who lost fortunes by speculating on stocks or investing in ventures without proper research. Instead, he recommends living within one's means and saving money. 4. Choose the right occupation. Picking the right career or business is crucial for financial success. Barnum encourages individuals to choose occupations that align with their skills and interests. He shares his own journey, starting as a store clerk and eventually becoming a successful showman and museum owner. 5. Advertise your skills and services. Effective self-promotion is key to attracting customers and opportunities. Barnum was a master at advertising and promotion. He used catchy slogans, eye-catching posters, and innovative marketing strategies to draw crowds to his shows and businesses. 6. Take care of your reputation. Building and maintaining a good reputation is essential for long-term success. Barnum emphasizes the importance of honesty, integrity, and treating customers fairly. He believes that a tarnished reputation can be more damaging than any financial loss. 7. Adapt and innovate. Adaptation and innovation are essential to staying relevant in a changing world. Barnum's career evolved from running a museum to showcasing oddities and curiosities to eventually founding the greatest show on earth circus. He constantly adapted to shifting public interests. 8. Focus on saving and investing. Saving and smart investing can help you grow your wealth over time. Barnum suggests that individuals should save a portion of their earnings and invest wisely. He shares stories of people who became wealthy by investing their savings in real estate or other profitable ventures. 9. Don't be discouraged by failures. Setbacks and failures are part of the journey to success. Learn from them and persevere. Barnum faced multiple failures, including a fire that destroyed his American Museum. However, he didn't let these setbacks deter him and continued to rebuild and innovate. 10. Be generous and give back. Barnum believes in the importance of giving back to society and helping those in need. He was known for his philanthropic efforts, including supporting charities and causes he believed in. He argues that true success is not only measured by wealth but by the positive impact one can have on others. The Art of Money Getting by P.T. Barnum provides valuable insights into the principles of financial success, drawing from the author's own experiences as a showman and entrepreneur. By applying these lessons, individuals can work toward achieving their financial goals while maintaining integrity and ethics in their pursuits. Don't hesitate to leave a comment about a book you'd like to see published. You can also contribute to the channel's growth by making a donation, and while you're waiting for the next audio, don't forget: knowledge is nothing without understanding, which is nothing without application. Look forward to seeing you soon on the channel, Short Version.
Perfect.